In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable review notifications on Glassdoor, Reviews 2026. If you've ever written a review on Glassdoor and want to know the moment someone responds, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a couple of minutes. We'll go from opening the site to turning on the exact toggle that controls responses to your reviews, and I'll share a few quick tips to make sure those alerts actually reach you. First, open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The steps are very similar. Make sure you're on the official site so your settings apply to your account. Next, sign into your Glassdoor account. This part is quick. Use your usual login method so you're fully authenticated. Being signed in is required to access and update notification preferences tied to your profile. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. A menu will appear. From that menu, choose Notifications. This takes you to your notification settings page where all alerts for your activity on Glassdoor are managed. Think of this as the control center for what Glassdoor tells you about and how often. On the notifications page, find the section labeled Reviews. Click it to open the drop-down. Expanding this section narrows the options to settings specifically related to reviews you've written or interacted with, so you don't have to sift through unrelated alerts. Within that review section, locate the activity that refers to your own reviews. You're looking for the option that controls alerts when someone engages directly with what you've posted. When you see the setting called Responses to your reviews, use the toggle to turn it on if you want to be notified, or off if you prefer not to receive updates. Turning it on ensures you'll be alerted when an employer or another user responds to your review, helping you stay informed and engage promptly if needed. There's no save button here. Your changes are saved automatically. After you flip the toggle, give it a second and make sure the switch remains in the position you chose. If you ever change your mind, you can come back and adjust the same setting at any time. That's all you need to enable review notifications. As a quick tip, if you're expecting emails but don't see them, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure notifications from Glassdoor aren't blocked on your device. With this set, you'll never miss a response to your reviews again. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to double check a step.